Sunderland Spirals, Route 2, the A19 North to the A1231 Wessington Way. Staying in the left lane, the right and 2 lanes of the A19, the left lane is now the A1231. Crossing the bridge, beware of a side wind. In 200 yards we're coming off the junction. We're heading towards Sunderland North on the A1231. As the road widens, stay towards the right hand side, towards Sunderland and the A1231 and the Stadium of Light. Climbing up the bank, at the roundabout sign will indicate right, where we're going to take the third exit towards Sunderland, the Stadium of Light and the National Glass Centre. Climbing up the bank to the junction, the road splits. Remember, given the choice, left is best. Both of these roads go to the A1231 Sunderland, but the left one is the easiest choice. We call it lucky left. Remember to be always aware of the cars to your right hand side and behind you. Making progress towards the middle lane, remember, count your exits. There's exit 1. As we're passing exit 2, we're going to spiral into the left-hand lane and make progress. Continue indicating left. Take your foot off the gas and back on the gas and make progress down the road.